Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will give you the overview of Capsule app. So let's get started. So let's open the Capsule app. So as you can see here, connect with your Capsule account. So from here you can just connect with your Capsule account. So basically Capsule is an app where you can see your like type of like a news website. You can see the news. You can just connect it here. You can buy their subscription and they will show you the daily news, and the news are special news, not like a simple news that you will show in a newspaper or news app, other app. So you can just buy their subscription and you will be ahead to know their news. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.